In this video, you will learn about the options available to enter your food and drinks into the food log. The first option is scanning the barcode on the package label of your items you get to prepare at home from a place like a grocery store or food pantry. The second option is entering the price lookup code, or PLU, for fresh fruits and vegetables. The third and final option is using the text search when the first two options are not available for the food or drink items. For already prepared items you get from a place like a restaurant, the only option for reporting the food and drinks is the text search. First, let's talk about scanning the barcode. It will be easiest for you to scan a barcode using your smartphone. Most prepackaged food and drinks in cans, bottles, cartons, jugs, jars, boxes, bags, and plastic wrap will have a barcode that is scanned at checkout in a store. If your food or drink items have a barcode, always try scanning it first to save time instead of manually entering the item information. In the food log, using your smartphone camera or computer camera, you will scan the barcode when prompted. First, you will likely see a prompt to select Request Camera Permissions to allow the food log to access your camera. Then select Allow. When permissions are enabled, select Start Scanning. If your smartphone has multiple camera lenses, you may need to select the lens you want to use for the barcode scan. When scanning, position your camera so that the entire barcode shows within the white rectangle's frame area. If scanning with your computer camera, you may need to wait up to 10 seconds for the scan to be recorded. If the barcode scan finds a match, the item name and corresponding photo will be displayed. If the correct item is displayed, select Next to move to the next question. When a barcode match is found, you will automatically skip multiple follow-up questions about the item since the information is captured through the barcode scan. If an incorrect item is displayed, select Return to Item Selection. Please note that some store-brand items may not result in successful scans. If the camera is unable to read the barcode, you will receive an error message asking you to try again. If the scan is taking too long and not picking up the barcode, hit Stop Scanning to return to the Start Scanning screen. After a second unsuccessful scan, you should click on the button that says Scan Not Working, switch to text search, and then enter as much information as possible about the item, including the brand name. We recommend scanning packaged items as you put them away at home after a shopping trip, rather than at the end of the day when you would need to pull out items that you already put away. Next, let's talk about price lookup codes, or PLUs. For fresh fruits and vegetables, look for the PLU, which is usually a 4 or 5-digit number found on a sticker or rubber band on the item or on the outside of the bag. Most PLUs are 4 digits for conventional items and 5 digits for organic items. You can see an example of a 4-digit PLU sticker on this non-organic lemon and a 5-digit PLU sticker on this organic banana. In the PLU search box, enter the PLU, then select the exact match in the drop-down list. The drop-down list will display both the PLU number and the corresponding item description. If you enter a PLU number that doesn't match any of the options in the drop-down list, or if you do not select an option from the drop-down list, an error message will be displayed on the next screen. At this point, you can either go back to the previous question to type the correct PLU code and select the match from the drop-down list, or you can enter the name of the item on the next screen. When reporting items like fruit or other foods you buy loose in the store, please report those items as measured at purchase. For example, if they sold the apples by the pound, enter the price per pound. If they sold the apples at a per apple price, enter it that way in the food log. The last option to enter items you get to prepare at home, and the only option to enter already prepared items, is to enter an item description in your own words in the text search box. For items you get to prepare at home, this is a fallback option that you can use to enter food and drinks that do not have a barcode or PLU, or where you did not find a match to the barcode or PLU. When you use the text search, please be very specific and use brands, flavors, and anything else that would help identify the exact food or drink you got. As you type these items' information into the search box, the drop down list will update as you add specific details. For example, rather than entering vanilla ice cream, you should be more specific and enter Breyer's vanilla bean ice cream. Multiple options will be displayed back to you for you to select the closest match. You may select Breyer's fresh cream and real vanilla bean ice cream, or another appropriate match from the drop down list. If your item is not listed in the drop down list, please revise your text search to give as many details as you can, such as frozen breaded chicken breasts, instead of just chicken. It is important to accurately describe each item that you get. If none of the search results match what you got, click Next after entering your own description. Finally, let's talk about multi-pack items. A multi-pack item is a package that includes several individually wrapped items. For example, a box of individually wrapped granola bars is a multi-pack item, while a box of crackers that includes non-individually wrapped crackers is not a multi-pack item. If you report a multi-pack item, we'll ask you how many individual wrapped items were in the package and the weight or size of the individual items. Thank you for watching this video and participating in the National Household Food Study. More information can be found at www.census.gov/help/food study.